In this video, I will show you how to download GTA San Andreas. So let's jump straight into it. So there are actually a few different ways that you can download GTA San Andreas. However, the best way I would recommend to get hold of this game is to come across to Steam and actually purchase this from Steam. So to do this, what you want to do is open up Steam, whether that's the Steam app or the web-based version of Steam. And you want to go to search box at the top and then just go ahead and put GTA into the search box and then click the search icon. So you can see this is going to bring up all the current versions of different versions of GTA. Now, GTA San Andreas is just a bit down. You can see it's here, GTA San Andreas, the definitive edition. So what you want to do is click onto this one. And because this is an age-rated game, what you're going to want to do, of course, is put your date of birth in first of all. And then click View Page. So what it's going to do is take you across directly to the download page. Now this is actually available as part of Grand Theft Auto Trilogy, the definitive edition. So in addition to San Andreas, you're also going to get Grand Theft Auto Free, the definitive edition, and Grand Theft Auto 5 City, the definitive edition, as you can see down here in the description. So what you're going to want to do is press the green Add to Cart button to add this to your cart. Now what you can do is choose to purchase for yourself, or you can purchase it as a gift if you're purchasing this for someone else. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Purchase for myself, and then what you want to do is choose your payment method. So you've got a few options available. Obviously, this depends on what country you're in as to what payment methods are available. But you can see for myself, I've got things like my Steam wallet, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and so on and so forth. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and select PayPal. And what you're going to want to do is click Continue. That's going to take you across to the payment method page, so would now go ahead and put your details in for the way that you want to pay for the game. And once you've gone ahead and done that, and you've purchased the game, what's going to happen is you're going to want to come out to your library at the top up here, and if you look to the left-hand side, you will see this in your library. So what you're going to want to do is select the game from your library, and when you first click onto the game, it's going to say Install. So what you want to do is click the Install button to start installing that Fire Steam. Now to go ahead and play the game. This install button is going to change to a play button once that's been installed. So of course you can just go ahead, click the green play button, and you'll be able to go ahead and play GTA San Andreas. So that's how to go ahead and download and play GTA San Andreas. I hope this tutorial helped you out today. And if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel.